We have a 2001. This is actually a Ultra Electroglide Standard. No Ultra. It's a FLHT. It's an Electroglide Standard so it didn't come with a tour pack, but they stuck a tour pack on there. And they stuck a radio in there. And they put spikes on it. And then they painted it. So that's what the spike is. This bike feels pretty tight. Engine feels good. It's got plenty of power. The clutch is not slipping. Touring Harley-Davidson, a somewhat modern touring Harley-Davidson that's reliable with spikes and street glide mirrors. Bike definitely runs good. This bike also doesn't have like an unusual amount of vibrations. It just vibrates like a normal bike should, you know. Nothing excessive. Motor mounts feel very good on it. It revs up pretty quick.